Hey brides, welcome back. This week we're going to be working on our cupcake stands with items from the Dollar Tree, of course. So if you want to make this super cute, super quick, super cheap project, then stay tuned. Also, don't forget to check the description box for all my supplies used. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and here we go. I'm going to begin by adding a good layer of my Podge to my candlesticks, and then I'm going to sprinkle the glitter over it. This is the same glitter I used in my bling ring project that I got from Michaels. It's the Creatology brand. It was $5.49, and of course I used my 40% off coupon. While I wait for my candlesticks to dry, I'm going to take my stove burner lids that came in a pack of 2 that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I spray painted them silver, and I'm just going to add some bling wrap around it because no project of mine is complete without the bling wrap. Okay, now I'm going to take some My Podge and dab it onto the candlestick, and this is just going to seal in the glitter. And I'm dabbing it versus using strokes because I don't want to brush off any of the glitter that's already on there. And I just glitterized the 3 candlesticks that I'm going to use on the bottom because I didn't want any glitter to fall off and possibly get on the cupcake. So I just chose to do the ones at the bottom. Now, I'm just going to take some crystal garland, add it around the edge of my pizza pan that I got from the Dollar Tree as well. And this is just extra garland I had from when I did my centerpiece project. Now I'm just checking to make sure my candlestick is dry and none of my glitter is coming off. And then I'm just going to glue them to the bottom with my E6000 glue. And then I put a heavy book on top of each of these, and I let that sit for at least an hour before I flipped it over. I used a little too much glue, so I'm just taking some off with the other candlestick. And then I just basically did the same thing for the next 2 layers, just glued them on. I tried to center them, but watching this video, I realized they are like super crooked, but it's okay. I did add some hot glue to this layer just so I could move a little faster in the video, but I just strongly suggest using the E6000 glue only. once I added this top layer, I put a heavy book on top and let that sit for 2 hours just to kind of help everything bond together. And each cupcake stand cost me $7 to make. And it is super cute. I really love it. Can't wait to use it. So, as always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you on the next video.